guys, so today I am going to show you how I like to use my favorite Glamglow face masks. Glamglow was born in Hollywood and it's the best kept secret for getting instant glowing skin. So today I've got 3 of their face masks. The first one is Super Mud, which is my favorite because I have really oily skin and this helps in refining the pores. It also helps in mattifying and clarifying imperfections. I like to use this just by itself once a week just to deep clean my skin. I like to apply a thin layer all over my face and then let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes and then just rinse it off of my face. The next mask is Flash Mud, which helps in brightening your face. This mask has a very gritty texture, so it helps in gently exfoliating your skin. And lastly, we have Thirsty Mud, which helps in hydrating your skin. I really like the way Thirsty Mud smells. It's got this amazing, yummy coconutty smell to it. So today I'm going to apply all 3 masks together and I'm going to multi-mask because all of these 3 masks are perfect for my skin concerns. So I'm applying the Super Mud on my T-zone where I have really oily skin, and then I am applying the Flash Mud on my jawline. So this is going to exfoliate and brighten that area. And lastly, I'm applying Thirsty Mud on the rest of my face. So this is going to give back the moisture onto my skin. So I've kept it on for 10 minutes now and just rinse it off with water. And this makes my skin feel super hydrated. It looks like it genuinely looks brighter and my pores have cleared. I use these masks at least once a week to brighten and hydrate my skin. So that's all. It's super easy to use and it gives instant results. If you want to try them yourself, you can head over to Nykaa.com and purchase Glamglow's face masks. They have an offer running where you can purchase Glamglow products worth ₹1,500 and you can get 1 Glamglow bubble sheet mask worth ₹690 free. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!